Welcome back, ladies. Hair Obsessed JC here. So I'm suffering from some dry itchy scalp. I noticed that I'm getting some flakes, and they say that sometimes this is the cause of dandruff, or it could be because I'm introducing a new product in my hair regimen, or it could be dirty scalp caused by residue and buildup from products, or because I am concentrating on moisturizing and sealing and sometimes neglecting the scalp, or it could be dehydration by not intaking enough water or just not oiling the scalp. It can be basic neglect. So what I'm going to do is do a penetrating oil pre-poo, and I'm going to be using olive oil, black Jamaican castor oil. I'm going to also use eucalyptus oil because that also conditions the scalp. It gets rid of fungus and bacteria on the scalp. And I'm also going to be using some peppermint oil as well as some tea tree oil. And I'm going to be using about 20 drops of the tea tree oil. I'm going to add everything together, mix that well, and add it to my scalp. So I'm going to be working in 4 sections, and each sections I'm going to be working in smaller sections. Detangle the hair and then separate again. I'm going to be adding the oil directly on the scalp as well as the new growth. I'm going to make sure that I apply it to the scalp as if I'm applying a grease. And then I'm just going to work that into sections, and then I'm going to massage it into my hair. Let me know in the comment section what you think is the cause of my dry, itchy scalp. I'm just going to put the plastic on and use my cholesterol warming cap, and I'm going to be going about my business. Okay, so since I'm suffering from dry hair as well, I'm going to be doing a moisturizing deep conditioning treatment using the Beautiful Textures Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner with shea butter and argan oil. Now, this deep conditioner doesn't have any protein whatsoever in it. I'm going to be taking 2.5 tablespoons. I'm going to add some honey as well as some pure olive oil. Mix everything together and get ready for the application process.
Okay, so it's no fault of mine. I have this in my hair for about an hour and a half. I went and I had breakfast and I did a bunch of things. So now I just wanted to let you guys know that I have this tingling feeling going on, and I love it. Now I'm treating my dry, itchy scalp, so I'm hoping this method is gonna be helping me. So what I'm going to be doing now is the moisturizing deep conditioning treatment, and I'm just going to place that on top of the pre-poo. You guys have seen me add my conditioner to my hair, but since I just wanted to see how my hair would feel with this new deep conditioning treatment. It's a moisturizing deep conditioning treatment, and as I'm applying it to the hair, it feels very moisturizing. It feels soft. It feels like it's giving me a lot of slip. It could be because I added the honey as a humectant, I'm not sure. But so far it feels very moisturizing. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you guys with me applying this treatment to my hair. You guys have seen me do this 1,000,001 times. So since I still have the oil treatment penetrating onto the scalp, when I was applying the deep conditioner, it felt very cold, like when you have alcohol that is drying onto the skin. It had that cold feeling onto the scalp. So I'm hoping that this is going to not only stimulate growth, but also to condition the scalp, clean my scalp, and help to get rid of the flakes that I'm now experiencing. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it just like this and go about my business, and I'm not sure how long that's gonna be. It's about 11:13 now here in the island, and it's the 21st of May 2018. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Have no idea why I'm doing this, but I'll see you guys. So I really wanted to come back really quick and show you guys what my hair looks like. I did a roller set after the treatment. Now that I wash my hair out and I take the rollers out, I noticed that the roots are a bit oily. I use this particular shampoo, and what I should have done is use a shampoo. If you hear a noise, it's because it's beginning to rain. Use a shampoo like a clarifying shampoo or a chelating shampoo to get rid of all the oil. I shampooed my hair 3 times with that particular shampoo. So I'm going to continue doing this treatment for the next 3 weeks to see how that can help me with the dry scalp. Now, something that I'm observing that could be the cause of the dry scalp is because I've been drinking a lot of green tea lately, and I've been skipping my water intake. Now, we have to drink water on a daily basis to help keep our scalp hydrated, to help keep our bodies healthy. And I've been skipping the water since I've been drinking a lot of green tea. That's my fault. Okay, so I hope this video was useful to you guys. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you like videos like this, content like this, subscribe to the club down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I have no idea why I'm doing this, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.